St. Anne's Online Banking. Enrolling in online banking is real quick and easy. You just go to our homepage, you click enroll, you fill out the information, and we'll get you signed up. Account overview. When you log into online banking, you're able to see all of your accounts at a glance, and up at the top right-hand corner, you're able to contact us, view our locations, set up account alerts such as low balance alerts, and within the profile button, you're able to set yourself up for text message banking. Account details. If you click on one of your accounts, you're able to see more detailed information such as account history, and you're able to filter and search by amount or transaction. eStatements is a fast, easy, and secure way to receive your statements in your email every month. To sign up, you can go on our website, or you can view your eStatements right within your online banking. You're able to go as far back as 18 months of history. Transferring funds within online banking is quick and easy. Select Transfer up at the top. Click on the account that you would like to transfer from, the account that you would like to transfer into. Select a date or set up a recurring transfer and the amount. Bill payment within online banking. If you click on bill payment up at the top, you're able to see all of your bills listed in one place. You see your Target credit card, you select the delivery date, you can even expedite your payment, you enter it in the amount, and click send. You can even add a company that you'd like to pay, searching by utilities or phone, or you can even search our network for popular payees. Zelle is a person-to-person payment system found within bill payment in online banking. Click on Send Money with Zelle, select your recipient, enter in your amount, and you're able to send, request, or split a bill with that recipient. Select Review and Send. Thank you for banking with St. Anne's Credit Union. Visit stannes.com for more information. Call us at 1-877-ST-ANNES or email us at einfo@stannes.com.